We'll guide you through how to set up Wix Calendar booking. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your Wix dashboard and locate the Apps section on the left-hand side. Click on it, then go to App Market. In the search bar, type Wix Bookings and select it. Click Add to Site to install the app. Once it's added, go back to your dashboard and find Bookings on the side menu. Click it and you'll be taken to the Wix Bookings dashboard. Here, you need to set up your services. Click on Set up Services and then add a new service. You can choose between a one-on-one service or a group class. Enter the details such as the service name, description, duration, and price. Make sure to set your availability by defining the days and hours you're open. Once you've set that up, go to Calendar to view your schedule and make any necessary adjustments. If you want to integrate your bookings with Google Calendar, click on Settings, then Sync Calendars. Follow the prompts to connect your Google Calendar to Wix, ensuring all your bookings are automatically updated. Finally, to make your booking calendar visible to your clients, go to your site editor. Add a new page or section, then drag and drop the bookings element onto your site where you'd like it to appear. Customize the look and feel to match your site's design by clicking on the element and choosing Design options. Once you're satisfied with the setup, click Publish to make your calendar live. Now, clients can easily book your services directly through your website. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.